Watch the clearance on the left. Bring it down slowly. Hold it right there.
Steady now.
Okay, give it the boot. Seal tuck. Move it left. Easy, easy. Okay, drop it now. Lower the cage. Keep it steady. Clamps are engaged, boss. Bring it down 20 feet. Easy now. All right, watching the clearance on the east side. The region stabilized at 98.2% relative compaction.
Okay, noted. Let's get the sample from the 5-foot mark.
The pressure is spiking again! Hold the line steady. We can't afford a burst.
Secure the clamps on your side.
Go. Watch the crane. It's coming in low.
The elevation on column 4 is inconsistent. It's the damp soil affecting the stability. We need to reset the tripod.
Lift synchronized. Hold steady at sector 3. Acknowledged. Lifting now. Watch the torque on that one. Almost there. Keep it steady.
All right, next brace. Más a la izquierda. Bájenlo despacio. Asegúrenlo ahora. ¡Listo, capitana!
Watch your side. Okay, easy left. Got it. Keep coming down.
The alignment at point C looks slightly off the baseline. Let's recalibrate the scanner and check the reference points again.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch your spacing on the east side. Easy now. Lock it in.
right, hold it right there. And stop.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the left side. Easy, easy. Hold it there. Steady. Okay, easy now. Little to the left. All right, set it down. All right, pull it from your side. Cuidado, careful with the edge. Bring it up, lift it higher. All right, hold it right there. We're almost aligned. Hold position at grid 4. Slight rotation needed. Okay, bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the clearance. Hold it steady. All right, hit it.
The thermal expansion is within acceptable parameters.
Confirmed. The strut stabilization is holding steady. The laser trace shows the curve is perfectly aligned.
Confirmed. The deviation is negligible.
The stress load is steady at 500 kilonewtons.
Noted. Prepare for the slow pull sequence.
Look at how massive those panels are. It's incredible, the light coming through.
The nozzle pressure seems stable.
Yes, the coverage is uniform across the entire panel.
Okay, this is the last section.
Watch the alignment right here. Looks good, lock it down.
We have significant runoff at this junction.
Noted. The system is handling the volume well.
Route those main feeders first. We're ready for the next section up top. Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly. Lift the line, turn in the valve. easy now. Take it up another 10 feet, hold it there.
Hold it right there. Switching circuits now.
Confirmed, emergency lights are active.
Hold it right there. A little to the left. Perfect.
Okay, let's get these connected now.
Solid click. We are good to go.
Pressure looks good here.
Mount is secure. Ready for the test?
Yeah, let's initiate.
It's finally open. Look at the size of this place.
I know, let's hurry up and get inside.